Hello everyone, welcome to Computer and Technology channel. Working with slides in MS PowerPoint. That is MS PowerPoint. So, Microsoft PowerPoint presentations are made up of sequence of slides or pages. Each slide can contain text, graphics, animation, videos, and other information that you want to present to your audience. Before you can begin adding information to slides, you need to know the basic of working with slides. Working with slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. The basics are selecting slide, adding a new slide, changing the slide layout, modifying placeholder, copying and moving slides, deleting and hiding slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's start with selecting slides. How are you going to select a slide? This is slide. This is slide. Just to select a slide, click on the thumbnail. The slide thumbnail, if you click, you can see it's now selected. It's now selected. That is how to select a single slide. To select consecutive slide, click on the first one, then hold down Shift key from the keyboard and click the last slide. But to select non-consecutive slide, click on the one you want and hold the Control key and click in other ones. Let's practicalize it. Let us see what I'm talking about. These are the three slides. I have three slides here. This is first slide. Click on it. It's selected. Then I want to select another slide consecutively. I'll hold down Shift key from my keyboard. Click the last slide. This is the last slide. Now it will now select all the slides thumbnail here. So now to select non-consecutively, that is different slides. First of all, select the first one of your choice. Hold down Control key. I want to select the third one. You see, this and this are now selected. Why this one is not selected? Because I want to pick the number of the slide I want to work on and select it. So as I selected this now, you can delete it once, you can copy it as it is, you can cut it as it is, you can reset it as it is, you can change slide layout as it is because they are now selected. So that is the purpose of selecting more than one slide at a time. If you want to apply the same format on those slides that is selected, then you can now do that. And that is how to select slide. Next is how to add a new slide. How do you going to add another slide from existing slide? These are the existing ones. I want to add another slide. First of all, you highlight or select the slide, click under the slide. You will see a horizontal bar blinking. Are you seeing how it blinks? is blinking, waiting for me to insert a new slide. Then as it is, choose home tab. This is home if you are not on the home tab. Then choose new. This is new, or Ctrl plus M from the keyboard, new. Then these are the slides theme. So I want to choose the slide that I want from the existing one. So maybe I will choose this. Now you can see this one is an empty slide. This is empty slide. I'll click on the placeholder, type thank you, for instance, thank you. Then, and that is the how to insert a slide. This next, they change the slide layout. What is slide layout? Slide layout is the pattern, design of a slide. So this is title slide. I can change this title slide to any type of slide layout of my choice by highlighting it or selecting it. Click layout. Then this time around I'll put comparison slide. You can see that particular slide is now changed to this pattern. You have the title, you have the two content, both left and right, because it's used for compare this. So you can see it. That is how to do that. Then modification of placeholder involve resizing the placeholder, rotating the placeholder, then coloring the placeholder, and so on and so forth. How are you going to modify that? This is the placeholder. This is the placeholder. I can turn it, rotate it of the depending the need. You see how I turn it? I type welcome. You see how the text turn? That is the way I want it to be. That is modification. I can resize it. You see, that is the modification of it, deleting it or involving a modification, coloring it, involving modification. You see, and so coloring the text inside, modification. So line color, you choose the pattern, and so on and so forth. Then text color, fill color, then and so on and so forth. So this is modification. Next, how do you going to copy and move slide? Copy, right click or just click, you click this copy, or click and cut, that is moving, or click and drag and with it now, place it where you want it to be. Is also a part of moving. So there are many ways to do that. Now, how do you going to delete? I hide a slide. Just right click on the slide you want to delete. Look at hide slide. You see delete slide, or press delete from the keyboard. I want to remove that slide, and then click delete slide. I've already removed it. And that's how to work with slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click notification bell for new videos. Thank you and remain blessed.